coming on an 18-wheeler, which is not going to get down my road. Hey, I'm Mark. Welcome back to the farm. Got a delivery happening today. Been waiting for it. It's finally time. Unfortunately, it's coming on an 18-wheeler, which is not going to get down my road, so I got to go pick it up. Fortunately, I have a trailer. Well, generator showed up. Came in an 18-wheeler. So he's definitely not coming down my road. But hey, guess what? Guess what? I got a newly refurbished trailer, so I can just take it right out of the truck, put it on there, and we're good to go. I like the way this plan worked out. Oh, it's raining, but roof still works. Okay. Instruction manual is probably important. So apparently, whew, look at that. Here's what we got. Big old generator. We got 15,000 starting, 12,000 running. We've got supply of 5W30, battery start, many different outlets, indicator screen, type of fuel selection, choke, starter button, accessory kit coming in here at the bottom. Come on. Accessory kit, and oh, that's for if I want to hook up propane or natural gas. We got warnings, instruction manual, TriFuel. So we've got unleaded gasoline, we've got natural gas, and we've got propane are our three options. And I live here with another hookup for fuel. Wow, these tires are huge. Okay. Let's use that. I'm back. Rain stopped. It's the next day or another day. I don't know if it's the next day. So what I got to do is I got to wheel this up. The rain was coming in sideways, so I just put the box back over the generator because it's too new to get wet. Anyway, I got to wheel it off the little plywood base for the container and then off the pallet that they use for moving it around. So my plan is to pull it this way, drop it down onto the back, set it, move all this stuff out of here, and then push it back so it's, just over the wheels, and to get a good balance on the trailer, so it'll move well and then it'll stand well. And then before I do that, of course, I wedge some pieces of 2x12 under here, so when I roll it to the back, the whole thing doesn't go foop and I get crushed by the thing. Okay, let's do this. Actually, that went really, really well. That was super easy, easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so last thing I got to do is put the oil in it. That's an easy enough task. And then, of course, when I look at it, here's the exhaust port. And that must always stay facing away from the house or any sort of structure. My next task with this, as I think about it, is I want to put some kind of cover on here so that it can be out in the storm. It's protected from the elements as much as I'm able to. It's going to get wet because in these hurricanes, right, the winds just come from everywhere. It'll come up from the bottom. It's madness. But anything I can do to just give it the most protection possible, that's what I want to do. So I got to come up with a design to put some kind of a cover on this. All right, so I added the oil, and which is pretty cool. It's like shtoink right there. That closes down. I put in a sip of gas because I don't want it sitting there with a whole bunch of gas stored up in it. And we'll just fire it up, make sure I did things right. All right. Fuel select. Thing. Battery. Here. Power on. Switch it to off. Done. Take off the headphones so I stop screaming. Okay. All right. Ops check's good. No reason it shouldn't have, but it's good to know that it's going to work when I need it. So now I should get about thinking on the cover, right? So I think that'll be kind of the next step for this. Otherwise, I think that's about going to do it from here. We'll talk to you guys later.